Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kohl Karmakar and on this platform I share everything I love with the people I care for. And today's video was a recommendation from any of you that I should do a first YouTube video ideas, and I thought why not. So in today's video I'm going to talk about 25 first YouTube video ideas for anyone and everyone who have been wanting to start their YouTube channel but did not know where to start from. And even if you have a YouTube channel already, this video is still gonna be helpful for you, so keep on watching. And as always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's begin. So the very first video is a no-brainer. It can be your channel trailer. You can talk about yourself, you can introduce yourself, and you can tell your followers, audience, subscribers that what they should expect from you, the things you are gonna make and bring to the table. It can be completely channel oriented, it can be completely yourself oriented. It's you who are going to decide, because at the end of the day it's your channel. Number 2 is a very popular and a lot of people have done it or they keep on doing it, no matter whether it's a new channel or an old one. It's a 50 facts about me. Now your followers, your audience would love to know you more than what you bring to the table, what you really show. They would love to dig deeper in what type of a personality you are, what type of a person you genuinely are. So 50 facts about me, 25 facts about me is a winning lottery. Number 3 is tag videos. You can do best friend tag, you can do boyfriend tag, you can do girlfriend tag, you can do parents tag, and any kind of tag you can think of. Because tag video, 50 facts about me videos are personal interest. People love to know you beyond camera. So again, this is a winning lottery. Number 4, start with the basics. Let's suppose you are starting a fashion channel. You can start with 10 ways to style a white shirt. I know that's the most basic topic you can make a video of, but hey, if you are wanting to teach people something, you have to start with basics. You cannot jump to words before teaching your students or audience, in our case, the basic alphabets, right? So that's the thing you have to apply here, and definitely you are going to be creative in your own way. So don't think that people have already made a lot of videos on the same topic. Just don't. Number 5, and this is something I would love to do on my channel but I won't anytime soon, and that is a rant video. You can rant about anything and everything on the internet, and people love to see it. I don't know, for some reason people do. Even I watch rant videos, roast videos for that matter of fact, but rant is more personal. Roast is something you forcefully try to make it funny. Rant can be funny, rant can be on something serious. Just rant your heart out. Number 6 is routine video. Whether they follow it or not, that's a completely different story, but they love watching routine videos. Be it morning skincare routine, be it nighttime skincare routine, be it study routine, be it hair care routine, be it nail care routine. They just love watching routines. So just take a topic and make a routine video on it. Number 7, playlist video. People love listening to music and they are always searching for good music. Now I know this can be a little tricky because of the copyright music issues. You have to figure it out by yourself, but you can make playlist videos. People love watching it. You can make copyright free playlist videos if you want, but people love listening to music and people love finding new music. Number 8 is haul videos. People love watching hauls. I don't know for some reason, but I love watching hauls. And just recall by yourself, how many times did you find yourself ending up watching a haul video which is totally irrelevant to you? For example, I have watched so many Sarojini Nagar haul videos despite of not staying anywhere near Sarojini Nagar. Number 9. You can make a video ideas video. Just like I am doing in this video, I am providing you video ideas, but no, this is a video in itself. People always search for new inspiration. People are always searching for their video ideas. You can make video ideas video. In fact, any kind of idea videos for that matter of fact, because people are always searching for ideas. For example, I can make self-portrait idea videos. So just figure out what ideas can you provide to others and make an ideas video. Number 10, and it's one of my favorites because people love receiving shoutouts. So you can make a creator's shoutout video. You can give a shout out to any creator you love, you are inspired by, or you think they need a shout out from you, and boom, they are gonna share your video because you gave them a shout out. Genius, I know. Number 11, a day in my life video. As I mentioned earlier in the video, people love watching you beyond camera. So they would love to see what your day looks like. You can add some elements to it, like a day in a student's life video, a day in an engineer's life video, and so on. But people love watching what your day looks like because they find it so relatable that, okay, that's something I do too. So that's what makes it so relatable and such a good content. Number 12, how-to videos. These are the tutorials that I'm talking about, but people are searching for anything and everything on the internet. So you can do something which generally people can't, then show it to the world how to do it. Number 13, Mukbang videos. Now these became popular in South Korea around 2010, but now it's a worldwide thing. It has come with ASMR version, but you can simply do a normal mukbang video. You can do it with some friend because that will make it more interesting and more relatable, personal touch. But if that's not possible during this situation, because that's totally understandable, you can do it all by yourself or you can include any family member. I haven't really researched about mukbang videos because that's really not my thing. But if you are a foodie, like I am a foodie, but I don't like watching food videos. Makes sense? I don't know. But if you are a foodie and you have been wanting to make such videos, then mukbang is the best. Number 14, a challenge video. People love seeing you struggling with something or the other. So just hop on something that's trending and make a challenge video on it. Like I did the eating in alphabetical order challenge and that blew up like anything. You can do any challenge that's trending, or even if it's not trending, challenges are evergreen video. So you can do them alone, you can do them with a friend or a family member. Personal relation, people love watching you struggling, people will love to laugh at you. So yeah, that's what makes a good content. Number 15 is a self-care video. People love watching self-care videos, especially when they are at home, having plenty of time in their hands and don't know what to do. So just give them a reason to take a step back, take some time back and give the love to themselves. Obviously, every person has a different way of taking care of themselves and that's what makes it unique. You can show the world what you do to take care of yourself. People might get inspiration from it, people might get ideas from it. You might actually push them to take care of themselves. So it's a good content as well as it's a good motive. Number 16 is unpopular opinion videos. I know that these can get a little scandalous and controversial. You should not be scared about sharing your opinion on something that you truly believe. So just go ahead and share your opinion on something. Obviously, unpopular opinion has a whole different meaning. I know that, I'm not unaware of it, but I'm just saying, your opinion matters. Number 17 is story time videos. As I said before, people love personal relation and anything that includes you struggling will blow up like anything. So any kind of story time videos are really great, especially those who love to listen more than watching. Like me, they would love to hear your story in your way. Number 18, ASMR videos. These got so popular and they are getting popular every day. Basically, and obviously you need special equipment for that, but if you have no idea about it, it's basically making sounds of random things like people eating, and the very fine sound of it, people drawing or sketching, and the very fine sound of it is called ASMR. I have no clue what's the full form. I'll write it here on the screen, but it is what it is. You can give it a try if that's your thing. Number 19, and they blow up like anything, and that's YouTube tips. People on YouTube want to grow like anything, so they would love and they would crave for your YouTube tips if they are good. They have to be legit. They have to be good and impactful. You cannot make a clickbait title and make people just tap on your video, but your content has to be good. The points you're talking about, they should be good. And if that's the case, your video will blow up for sure. Number 20, and something very, very trending these days, and that is aesthetic Instagram feed inspiration or tutorial. Like, aesthetic Instagram feed has become such a thing right now. People are going nuts over aesthetic feed, and people want to create an aesthetic feed. So if you have any knowledge about it, if you have been doing that for a long time now, you should either make mood boards that will give ideas to the people watching, or you can share your tips and tricks that you use on a daily basis. People would love to learn it from you, and people will actually get some value out of it. Number 21, which is along the same lines, and that is Instagram growth hacks. People want to grow on Instagram as well, so they would love to listen to your tips and tricks if they are worth listening to. Number 22, and this is my favorite, that is money making videos. They blow up like anything. Till date, I have made 2 videos, and from my experience, I can tell you they blow up like anything. People want to learn how they can make money, and as I mentioned before, the content has to be good. So if you're talking genuinely about making money and not those one click per day and stuff like that. So if you're talking about genuine things to do to earn money, people will watch it and your video will blow up for sure. Number 23, a video on a trending topic. Now you know about trends, they come and go like a snap. You have to understand what's trending and how you can connect it to your own genre, and that way you can target the trending topic, the trending keywords easily and effortlessly, and the videos will blow up for sure. Number 24, and that is behind the scenes video. As I mentioned before, people love watching you beyond camera. So if you do something on a regular basis and people have only seen the final outcome, they would love to see what really goes behind that, all that hustle, bustle and the struggles you do just for that final outcome. People would be crazy over that behind the scenes video. For example, behind the scenes of clicking this picture, behind the scenes of making this video, behind the scenes of making this craft, and so on. Last but not the least, 25, which is my favorite, and that is declutter or organizing videos. This has to be my favorite. I love decluttering. I love organizing. You can go as minimum as organizing my phone. You can go as big as organizing my house, decluttering my cupboard, and all of that. You know what I'm talking about, and they are so satisfying to watch. They are so good to be true. I just love watching them, and I'm sure there are people like me who love watching them too. So that's about it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if this video pushes you to start your own YouTube channel, I'll be the happiest person. So if you start a YouTube channel, don't forget to comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite idea and which is the idea you're gonna implement in your next video or your very first video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe and turn the bell notification on so that you get notified every time I post a video. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye!